Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete old Facebook account that you can't access. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm gonna open up my Facebook application. I'm going to open up this application and then I'm going to give you tips to delete your old Facebook account that you can't access. Maybe you forgot the password, or maybe you forgot the phone number or the email. And don't worry guys, because here I'm going to bring you tips to solve the problem. Okay, to delete our old Facebook account, I recommend you to report your old Facebook account. You can go to the search menu and then you're going to search for your old Facebook account. Okay, this is my old Facebook account, guys, and then I'm going to try to delete this account. Actually, I have tried this method and it works. It's actually worked, so I'm going to give you the tips for you. Okay, you just need to click on this three dots right here, and then you can click on report profile, and then you can choose what you want to report to Facebook. And then I'm just going to select something about this profile. I'm going to select this reason, pretending to be someone. Let's say that this account pretending to be me, or my first account. And then I'm going to choose me. All right, and then you just need to click on submit. And then you can wait for the decision from Facebook, and hopefully the Facebook will decide to remove your old Facebook account, so they will be automatically deleted. Okay, and then you just need to click on next, and I think the Facebook will notify you if they has already accepted your report. Okay, and then I'm just going to click on done. All right, that's so easy, right? You just need to report your old Facebook account, and I hope the Facebook will remove it. Okay guys, and that's all the way to delete old Facebook account that you can't access. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.